Hello, friends. Have you ever wondered where the furniture comes from and how it is made? Today, we're on a quest to unearth the stories behind the chairs, tables, and shelves that fill our homes. We'll delve into the different types, the materials used, and even some fun facts. Get ready for an exciting journey into the world of furniture, where each piece will tell its own unique story. From the dining table, where we share meals, to the bed where we rest, furniture forms an integral part of our lives. Venturing room by room, we'll explore the diverse world of furniture, highlighting their roles and the convenience they bring. As we see, each piece of furniture has its own role and adds a different flavor to our homes. Ever pondered about the journey of a tree to your living room as that beautiful coffee table? Today, we delve into how that happens. From raw material acquisition, where trees are cut and processed into lumber, to the crafting process where artisans shape and polish this lumber into a variety of furniture. Different materials like metal, glass, and plastic also take their own unique paths to become functional and beautiful pieces. Isn't it fascinating to learn how a simple material transforms into a piece of furniture that enhances our lives? Now, let's talk about the art of choosing the right furniture for different rooms. The key lies in knowing your space, understanding your needs, and aligning it with your personal style. Are you leaning towards an open, minimalist living room or a cozy, cluttered den? Your choice of furniture can make a world of difference. Consider the functionality too. A beautiful couch that's uncomfortable serves little purpose. Remember, the right furniture not only beautifies your space, but also makes it more comfortable and functional. Before we wrap up, here are some fun facts about furniture. Did you know that every piece of furniture tells a story, reflecting its era and culture? For instance, the minimalistic designs of today contrast starkly with the ornate Victorian styles. Now let's talk DIY. You can create functional and beautiful pieces from easily accessible materials. Imagine your very own coffee table made from reclaimed wood. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of furniture and learned something new today.